Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing my name Agus Irvando, NIM 28921503558. My study program regular management plus subject English. Dear Mr. Lecturer, theory next. When to ask present perfect tense. 1. We ask the present perfect tense to talk about experience. It is important if we have done it in our lives or not. It is not important when we did it. Example: I have been aboard 2 times. Anna has never broken a leg. Have you ever eaten sushi? Type: We often ask never and ever with the present perfect tense to talk about experience. Next theory. 2. We ask the present perfect tense to talk about an action which started in the past and continues up to now. Example: I have been a teacher for more than 10 years. We have seen Janine since Friday. How long have you been at this school? Type: We often ask since and for to say how long the action has lasted. Next theory. We also ask the present perfect tense to talk about a past action that has the result in the present. Example: I have lost my wallet. I don't have it now. Jimmy has gone to South America. He is here now. Have you finished your homework? Is your homework already? Type: We often ask just already and yet with the present perfect tense for an action in the past with the result in the present. Next theory. How to form perfect tense? We make the present perfect tense with the correct form of the auxiliary verb have or has, and the third form past participle of the mild verb. To form the past participle of the regular verb, we add it to the infinitive. Example: I have worked as a secretary for 2 years. Have you ever visited the Disneyland? The film has started yet. Type: You might want to visit the English irregular verb page to learn how we form the past simple second form and past participle third form of some English verbs. Next theory. Present perfect and positive sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Have we, has, have been to Moscow, finished the experience, just gone home. Already had a holiday this year. Broken seen this film before. Bought a new car. Next theory. Present perfect negative sentence. 1 table. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Table 2. Have not even. Have not even. Has not hands. Has not hands. Has not hands. Has not even. Have not even. Table 3. Been about it. Answered my question. Been home for 5 years. Found a new job. Finished it. Worked on a farm. Seen eggs. Order from eggs. Next theory. Present perfect yes no question. Table 1. Have have. Table 2. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Table 3. Ever done it before. Been to the cinema recently. Worked here long. Already sent the fax. Ever been in a crash? Done is right. Gonna home. Next Present perfect information question. One table one. What? How long? How many times? What countries? Where? How long? Where? Table 2 have, have. Table 3 I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Table 4 don't, been here, been married, visit, been together, worked. Next theory, already and yet. Already means the something happened earlier than we expect. With present perfect already usually goes up after have or has and before the main verb. Example, we have already ate our breakfast. When are you going to do your homework? But I've already done it. Do you want a cup of coffee? No, thanks. I've already had one. Yet means that something that we expect has happened or has happened. We usually put in at the end of a sentence. Example, has the post arrived yet? Have you done your homework? No yet. Haven't you got the ready yet? Look at the time. Next, we ask present perfect tense to talk about action which started in the past and continues up to the present. We ask for with a period of time. For example, a few days, held 1.5 or 2 years. We ask since with the time when the example action started. For example, last year June 8 I meet you. Example, I have had this computer for about a year. How long have you been at this school? I haven't seen Julia since September. Thank you.